Good everyone. I hope you guys have an amazing day. So in the last episode, right, I've talked about how to create a basic experience cloud site. So today in this episode, what I'm going to do, I will show you how to add some menu items and then open up the page and perhaps create a page. And then we can also look at how to add permission sets to the to the user when accessing the experience cloud site. The first thing first, right? What I'll do, I will go to this icon here, and I'll go to the Experience Workspace. I'll show you some administrative task. So you might remember, this page from the previous discussion we had. So I'll go to Administration here, and under this, um, so you have an option here. So you have activated it, and then Preferences. You know, you can select the preferences you want, right? If you want, let guest users see other members of the site, you can do that, but just do that with caution. Then you have members. So this is where you normally select the permission set and the profiles. So this is a place like, for instance, I have a CPQ user here, system administration, and the standard user. I've given this option here. You can do that based on your business requirement and the reason why you're trying to build your experience cloud site. But this is one of the options using which we can, excuse me, you can tweak the stuff, right? And then you can add the contributors if you like to add. That's one of the options, right? You can add it. Um, so it depends who you, well, as you can see there, right? Add contributors and assign roles to control who can do what as your team build and customize your site. So you can do that, add contributors. So if you go here, you can add the user and do that, right? And this is a login and registration page and emails and right and pages. Excuse me. And this is yeah. So this is and the URL redirects. This is a pretty basic stuff, right? Just wanted to show you how we can control the permissions. Okay. Now I wanted to add a menu here. So for instance, I wanted to add. So if I go to say case, I can see the case. But now I'll show you how you can do that. When you just try to add a menu and say link an object, you won't be able to see this. So what I'll do, I will add something called contact here, right? So I'll go here and experience builder, um, right? And and I'll go here, and when you click on there, you'll get this option, and I will say edit navigation, and I will do add menu items. Excuse me, contact. I'm sorry, I got a bad sore throat. Not really sore throat. It just weather is extremely hot today, right? At least in my city in New Zealand. So like around 1 p.m. So I thought, okay, I might as well have some beers. So I had a couple of cold beers, very chilled pilsner. So it's kind of mucked up my throat a bit, but yeah. Salesforce object. So what I'll do, I'll choose contact, contact, and I'll just keep it publicly available. Um, and yeah, and that's pretty much it. You can see the contact here. Now let me publish it now. Okay. So we'll take perhaps in a second or two. So let's wait. So what I'll do, go back, and I'll just wait. Right. Okay. I'll just refresh it. Okay, you got a contact here, right? Now let me click on contact. Okay, you'll say, all right, what the heck? Nothing happening, right? I'm trying to do something here. What's going on? Okay, so to do that, if you wanted to hook up a contact page to it, let's create a page first, okay? So right now, we just create a menu item, but there is no page associated with the contact. So obviously, you can't see anything with the contact, right? So what I'll do, I'll close this page, and I'll go to this experience builder. and I will do here, right, at the top, just down arrow. So there's something called new page. Click on new page. So you can create a standard page or an object page. So I'm after an object page, right? I'm after a contact page. So I'll select for contact. I'll do this. I'll say create, and yeah, and I'll do create. All right. Okay, so that's done. Um, just gonna take a while, I guess. Okay. All right. So what I'll do, I will publish it. Okay. And it's gonna take a while. Not too long, but perhaps 10 seconds. So then we can see what's going on. Now I created a page, right? So it will hook up to this contact. So you see, there you go. So now I can see the contact. I mean, you can pretty much control the stuff here, right? And all the buttons based on your normal Salesforce setting. But the reason why I wanted to show you this, right? Sometimes what happens, you create a menu item and say, hey, nothing, I can't see anything. So obviously, you have to link the page, right? Just creating a menu item will not help, to view the object specific page. So this is the reason why you're not able to see it. That's one of the reasons why I mentioned in the last episode. When I create the case, you probably won't see anything, right? So that's the reason why. So yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to cover in this episode. I hope you guys have an amazing Sunday. Adios.